there. We've got the basement cleanup. Ran all the levers. Got ABS going through.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Really not bad. A little bit of build-up. Not too bad. Push on through. Here's where we exit the house and the outside clean out on the other side. That's where we head out. There we go. And so that's the SDR. Going across the yard.
Let's go across the yard?
Mm-hmm. Yep, and then this is a step down, so it goes down deeper, and then usually you get a little bit of stickiness right here, goes past that elbow. Nice, we don't have a dip. A lot of times we'll get a dip off of that. Pretty clear sailing. So 60, that's usually where it likes to get sticking. Are we trying to box it on? Alright, that's how far we got there, and then we'll just go out that outside one. See what it looks like to the main. Here we are at the main. One out from the outside cleaner. Speed's raining, pretty good shape. Minor build-up. Good condition of draining overall. 12 foot down to the lateral.